Okay, we're going to do a few problems here from 1.4. Not sure that the way I set this up was the best way, but let's see if I don't think I can right there. Look at that. Did not think I could. So for the first one here, it says f of x equals negative 8x plus 4, and g of x is x squared minus x. And so they want us to find f of x plus g of x. So that means we're going to add them. We're going to have f of x plus g of x equals the negative 8. I can't write off the screen, so let me make this bigger. Equals negative 8x plus 4 plus x squared minus x. So combining like terms, it's x squared minus 9x plus 4. We're just adding the two functions. And by the way, in case you haven't seen this, there are help videos on most of these. You can click that and you can see a video of how it's done as well. A similar problem, not the exact same one. Okay, next one. They want to know what it's going to be if we were to, done there. And if we were to multiply these together. So we're looking at f of x times g of x, so that's 3x plus 6 times negative 4x squared minus 4x. So we can use a FOIL for this. 3x times negative 4x squared is negative 12x cubed. 3x times negative 4x is minus 12x squared. 6 times negative 4x is minus 24x squared. 6 times negative 4x is minus 24x. So our biggest thing is going to be that negative 12x cubed. Then we have a negative 12x and a negative 24x, so that'll be minus 36x squared. And then there's a minus 24x, and that's it. Okay. Here's number 3. Number 3 says f of x equals x squared minus 7x plus 10, and g of x equals x minus 2. So they want us to find f plus g of negative 5, f minus g of 2, f times g of 3, and f divided by g of negative 1. Would have been a little too easy if they let us do the same value for each one. But anyway, so we're going to have, let's see, f of 5, negative 5, is going to be negative 5 quantity squared minus 7 times negative 5 plus 10. That's 25 plus 35 plus 10. That's going to be 60, 70. And g of negative 5 is going to be a negative 5 minus 2, which is negative 7. So our f of negative 5 plus g of negative 5, which is what f plus g of negative 5 is going to be 70 plus negative 7, or 63. So let's look at f of negative 2 here for this next one. That's going to be negative 2 squared minus 7 times negative 2 plus 10. So that's going to be 4 plus 14 plus 10, which is 28. And g of negative, this is positive 2. Shoot, that's positive 2. So that's positive, so this is negative. Therefore, we have 4 minus 14 plus 10. That's actually 0. G of positive 2 is going to be 2 minus 2, which is 0. So in this case, 0 minus 0 equals 0. f times g of 3, we look for our f of 3 is going to be 3 squared minus 7 times 3 plus 10. So that means it's going to be 9 minus 21 plus 10. I believe that's negative 2. G of 3 is going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1. So our f times g of 3 is f of 3 times g of 3, which is going to be negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2. Okay. Can't get this to go. Okay, let's do this last one. F of negative 1 is going to be negative 1 squared minus 7 times negative 1 plus 10. And that's going to be 1 plus 7 plus 10. I'm out of the space. Plus 10 is 18. And g of negative 1 is going to be negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So we have f divided by g of negative 1. That's f of negative 1 divided by g of negative 1. So that's going to be, what did I say, that was 18 divided by negative 3. So I get negative 6. Okay. Hope that helps. I'm going to do some more of these. I just want to do these in small bites.